This is how soft the butter is supposed to be. It's this. If it doesn't soften like that, I don't know what you're doing, okay? Hey guys, what is up? Today we are gonna be following a TikTok trend. So the trend is pancake cereal, but we're not gonna make any. We're not gonna make pancakes, okay? We're gonna make souffle pancakes. So it's gonna be more fluffy and it's gonna be more basically delicious. Let's get our ingredients first. All right, guys. Before we start the recipe, please drop a like and subscribe and help me out, please. A quarter cup of milk, 30 grams sifted flour, 2 eggs that we're about to separate, a quarter cup of sugar, quarter teaspoon of vanilla, quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon of softened butter. When I mean softened, I'm gonna show you how softened I mean. You see this? I got butter right here, and this is how soft the butter is supposed to be. See, it's pliable and all that, right? I don't want no hard butter, okay? That's not gonna work, okay? You need to soften your butter, okay? I soften like this. If it doesn't soften like that, I don't know what you're doing, okay? You're not gonna make anything out of hard butter, okay? You gotta be soft and pliable like this, and it'll do something, like, all right? Get some soft butter now. All right, guys, here's the first step we're gonna take. So we're gonna sort out our egg. Next step, let's add some cream of tartar into the egg whites. You're gonna deal with our egg yolks. Okay, first step, let's add our tablespoon of softened butter, okay? Oh yeah, look how soft this is. Use your hand. When it's done incorporating, let's add our milk. Add a drop of vanilla. 2. Mix. Let's add our flour. Mix. Get 30 grams of flour plus a quarter cup of flour, yeah. This is right. Just pay attention to the consistency. All right, this is good. Now we are gonna beat our egg whites. Okay, let's beat our egg whites. Medium low for the first 3 minutes. Okay, so I did it for 2 minutes. You want to get your quarter cup of sugar now. I turn this to medium high, and we're gonna do it for around 3 minutes, and we're gonna slowly add in the sugar. Let's check it out. Oh yes, look, it's the peak. The peak is staying up. Wow, look at this. Just beautiful egg white. Okay, so just tap it down. And let's go back to wherever your egg yolks are. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need is a rubber spatula. You're gonna incorporate this with our egg whites slowly, but you cannot do it too fast or else you're gonna deflate it and it's not gonna be puffy anymore. And then that means you suck. Let's mix it off. Next thing is you want to get a piping bag. And you just want to fill up the piping bag. Because you get what you pay for. I paid like $11 for like 300. These are so stinking cheap. Come on. Okay, next thing, what you're gonna do is we are gonna preheat a griddle and then we're just gonna squeeze it through and make it as tiny pancakes, just like the ones that we see on TikTok. Let's go. All right, here we go. Turn your thing. We're gonna do around 300. Okay. Let this preheat for around 2 minutes. Thing is preheated. Let's spray down with some Pam. Light dosage. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna wipe it down. Just want to grease. Okay. Actually turning it to like 275-ish. Okay. Let's cut our piping bag. I swear, if this thing bursts, I'm gonna cry. Here we go. I'm nervous. Just like tiny circles. Alright guys, let's taste test. Of course, we're Asian, we use chopsticks. Mmm. Yes. This is bringing back so many memories from like Chinatown. Like, it tastes like those egg things like I told you about. Nice and fluffy. Really good. Just a little chow patch. Oh yes. Pretty good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna finish this up. Please drop a like and please subscribe. Bye.